A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we were doing exercise 8.2, we were dealing with decimals. Now we'll see further questions. Okay. So question number 6 is, you have to tell whether this number lies between which two numbers at 10th place. आपने सिर्फ 10th place बताना है, कौन से दो 10th places के बीच में ये नंबर आपका लाई करेगा. Now you know this is 0.06. That means it will lie between 0 and 0.1. आपको सिर्फ 10th place लिखनी है. Remember, not the 100th place. Now this number is 0.45. So it will lie between 0.4 and 0.5. Okay, 0.4 और 0.5 के बीच में आ जाएगा आपका 0.45. Similarly, this number 0.19 will lie between 0.1 and 0.2 because 90 के बाद next number क्या आएगा आपका 20. Okay, so this way. Similarly, 0.92 will lie between 0.9 and 1.0. Okay, because 92 के बाद 100 आएगा, so 1 will go this side, so it will be between 0.9 and 1.0. So this way you have to do the remaining parts of this question. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood. And now the last question of the exercise, which is very simple. You have to write in the lowest terms. और मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है yesterday in live class that whenever decimal numbers are given, first you have to convert them in fraction and then reduce them to the lowest form. और reduce करने के लिए आपके पास दो method है. Either you can find out the HCF and cancel, or you can cancel one by one. Okay, so I have done many parts for you. The first one is 0.60. Now decimal के बाद दो digits हैं आपके पास, so you will write 100 in the denominator. This 0 and this 0 will cancel. You will get 6 upon 10. So 6 upon 10 का HCF आता है 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So the lowest form is 3 upon 5. Okay, so lowest form means you have to cancel till you are getting the HCF as 1. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का HCF क्या होना चाहिए? 1 होना चाहिए. टिल दैट टाइम इट इज़ नॉट सेट टू बी इन लोएस्ट टर्म. द नेक्स्ट वन इज 0.05. सो यहाँ पर भी डेसिमल के बाद 2 digits आर देयर, सो यू विल राइट 100. HCF इज 5 itself. 5 ones are 5 and 5 into 20 is 100. Okay, so the next one is 0.18 upon 100. Okay, 0.18 is there, so 18 upon 100 will come. HCF is 2, so the answer will be 9 upon 50. 50. Okay, and then you have 0.125. So 3 digits are there, so 1000 will come. Now in this question, if you are not able to find out the HCF directly, तो आप इसे पहले 5 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं both, and then जो आपका आंसर आएगा उससे आप फिर से 5 से कैंसिल करेंगे, and then again you will cancel by 5. So you have to cancel till you are getting the HCF as 1. Okay, so or directly find the HCF, which is 125. So the answer is 1 upon 8. Okay, and the last one I'm doing for you is G part, which is 0.066. Now no need to write this 0 here, but in the denominator 3 zeros, that means 1000 will come. Again the HCF is 2, so the answer will be 33 upon 500. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood how to reduce in the lowest term. So this way we have completed the exercise 8.2. Now we are going to start the new topic, which is comparing the decimals, which is very simple. So let's just do it. So comparing the decimal numbers, you all know how to compare the numbers. Okay, आपको पता है 3 is smaller than 4, 5 is greater than 3. So this way the question is which is greater. Now what is the difference is in natural numbers and decimal numbers. आपको decimal के बाद एक एक digit को compare करते जाना है. For example, the first one. Now in this case you have to write which is greater. So 0.3 or 0.4. तो सबसे पहले आप this you will compare before decimal what is coming. Since this is also 0, this is also 0, you will proceed next. Okay, आप decimal के बाद पहला digit देखेंगे. It is 3 and it is 4. Obviously 4 is greater. Answer stops here. So 0.4 is greater. Then in the next one you can see 0.07 or 0.02. आप पहले 0 0 सेम है. डेसिमल के बाद पहला डिजिट 0 0 सेम है. Then you go to the next one, which is 7, and this is 2. So 7 is greater, so 0.07 is greater. Here this is 3 or 0.8. Now you know 3, you can write it as 3.0 और 0.8. तो आपके पास दो नंबर्स कौन से हो गए, 3.0 and 0.8. तो obviously 3 is greater than 0, so no need to compare the next digit. 3 is greater. Okay, so I hope you all are getting कि हम एक एक डिजिट को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. For example, in the next one 0.5 और 0.05. Now 0 तो सेम है, डेसिमल के बाद पहला डिजिट यहाँ पे 5 है और यहाँ पर पहला डिजिट 0 है. Now you know 5 is greater, so no need to compare the next digit now. Okay, you can see here 0 is there, here 5 is there, but doesn't matter because decimal के बाद जो पहला digit आएगा that you have to compare first. So 0.5 is greater. Similarly, this also you can see 0.099 and 0.19. Even though this number is looking bigger, इसमें आपको दिख रहा होगा कि 99 है, इसमें 19 है, तो बहुत सारे बच्चे will do the mistake that they will write this number is bigger, but no, this is bigger. Why? Because after decimal, the first digit in this number is 0 and here it is 1. So which one is bigger, 0 or 1? Obviously 1. So 0.19 is greater. अगर आपका यही डिजिट बड़ा हो जाता है एक दूसरे से, then no need to compare further. Okay, and in this one 1.5 and 1.50 both are equal because you know in decimals अगर एक बार decimal आया है you can write as many zeros as you want. It doesn't change the value. That means 1.5 and 1.50 both are equal. Okay, next we will see 5.64 or 5.603. Now see, first you will compare the first digit which is equal, proceed to the next digit which is again equal, 6 and 6, then proceed to the next digit which is 4 and this is 0. Obviously 4 is greater, so 5.64 is greater. Okay, so this is a small exercise 8.3. So complete the first question and no need to do question number 2. So we'll just leave that question. In that question you just have to write few more examples which is not necessary. Okay, so complete exercise 8.3. So that's all for today. So we'll stop here. Thank you and have a nice day.